Hello my friends, and welcome to my channel. My name's Quinn, and I'm currently updating our 40-year-old house. Today I'm just gonna continue finishing up the other spots in the downstairs, so please stay and watch and enjoy. This is the hallway I was working on last time. If you turn right from the end, there's another short hallway before the stairs to the basement. So first, I'm going to work on this spot. First thing I did was to remove all the baseboards. In this process, you will need to use a utility knife to cut through and break the caulking line between wall and the baseboard. Then use chisel, crowbar, and hammer. Gently separate them and then remove the baseboard. I then installed a 1x4 new baseboard with my nail gun. For the crown molding, I installed the 1x3 on the top edge first, then 1x4 along the wall edge below. After all the boards installed, I used the wood plaster to fill the nail holes and then applied the water-based paintable caulk to fill the gaps in the joints. Used my finger to smooth it out, then sand it down before painting. I found these natural dried preserved eucalyptus branches from Rush's store. I paid only $8 for the whole bunch, which I thought was a great deal. I saw the large branches like these on Amazon. They were all priced around $30. It's the perfect color for the fall and winter. Warms me up. I made this console table last year with 2 free table legs. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below for you, so please check it out if interested. As there isn't much space to work with, I think this is a good spot for a piece of narrow furniture like a console table. There are 2 alcoves in the downstairs. The bigger one is behind the kitchen wall, which I turned into built-in shelves in my last video, and the smaller one is next to the entryway closet, which is on my list for this week's project. I prepared 2 pieces of 2x12 pine boards. I put one at the bottom of the alcove, and the other one I'm going to install it as a floating shelf. In my last video, I did a full tutorial on how to make built-in floating shelves with the easiest method. So if anyone wants specific tips and tricks, please check that out. I'm going to fill this spot with some of the Moroccan-style home decor that I have collected from my overseas trips. This mirror was made of embellished metal, deeply carved wood, and camel bones, so it's super heavy. I used to work overseas for many years, including Egypt, and all of these were the items I found from the local bazaars during my stay in Egypt. I personally carried them on the airplane and brought them back home. I like the mysterious elements and the rich color combination of Moroccan style. It brings a unique yet elegant and warm feel to this entryway. Last time I did a table makeover with the Moroccan style. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I put this tree here as a holder for keys and accessories. The tree I got from a thrift store. The color used to be silver, but I changed it to antique gold by using Robin Buff. And it blends in perfectly with the Moroccan style. I hope this simple section makeover inspires you to freshen up yours. Even if you don't have a big area to work with, you can still make it functional and stylish. That's it for this time, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.